Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping back in on Contract Miner. We're going to be checking out all the new mining pools that have been added and the new coins, and we're also going to be looking at how to add your wallet addresses if you haven't already done it. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are in my contract mining account, but before we really get into the meat of this video, I just want to apologize for the possible quality of the sound. As you guys know, a couple of days ago I posted that I was basically on the road for work. I'm currently at a hotel and I went and forgot my headset, so I had to nip out, go to an electronics store and purchase another one, and unfortunately the only one that was available was quite a low budget one. Okay, so the last time we were in here was about a month ago. Back then I was at level 33. You can now see that if we look here, I'm now at level 35, which, to be honest with you, about the only benefit that has brought me is when I dive into the shop and I want to purchase power units for my miners. It has actually made a slightly higher power unit available, which means that obviously I can purchase that and my power will last a little longer before I need to basically refill that again. My timed hashing power was at 3,430. You can now see that it's at 8,050. Obviously, you know, I'm not doing a whole lot of work in here. You know, a couple of videos ago, I basically have said that it's got to the point of, with this program, that it's pretty much passive income. All I do is come in here, add the power required to get me through the day, and then that's pretty much it. Do a few bits here and there, but I have been recently sort of purchasing more timed mega hash and stuff like that because I can't get any more actual miners because I've maxed out on the amount of miners that I can get into the current virtual property that I own, and no higher powered miners are coming on the market. So essentially I'm kind of stuck when it comes to sort of trying to boost my account any further. So simply what I've been doing is just doing a few bits here and there to try and actually up my timed mega hash, because that is one of the things I can actually still increase. And for those of you that are interested in Contract Miner but you don't know a whole lot about it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier review that I've done. Now that's going to give you more details and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your account up and running and start earning that free crypto. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So the guys over at Contract Miner have been working hard in the background. Obviously, the last few videos I've done, I have talked about up and coming updates that they were looking to add, and one of the ones that I did mention is that they were looking to add actual crypto pools. So rather than just mining the sort of in-game token, the CMC, they were actually going to give you the opportunity to mine individual coins that you could pick and choose what pool you wanted to be in, which they have done. Not all of the pools at the moment are online and working. The two that are currently available are Doge and Litecoin, but the ones that you will have the opportunity to choose from in the near future, you will have Bitcoin. Like I say, you've got Doge, you've got Litecoin. You will also have Dash, Tron, and Binance Coin. Now, I think that's a great selection of coins that are available to you. And like I say, basically all you would do is that when your power has run out, Or when you're ready to choose a pool that you want to mine, what you can do is if you go into the auto miner, and if your miner hasn't stopped already, you can see that mine's shown as inactive, and that is basically because I've actually stopped mine, so I can show you how this works. And basically what you do, so obviously your mine is inactive, you can just click where it says connect. There would be a button where it say disconnect. So if you click disconnect, when you click connect to reconnect, it gives you this option, so you can continue to mine CMC coins. So if you're particularly looking to boost your account and buy miners and stuff like that from the shop, you probably want to continue to mine CMC, because you can exchange that quite easily into CMCI and then use that to purchase the miners. But like I said, at the moment you also have the ability to mine Doge or Litecoin. Now I've been mining Doge for a couple of days, so we're going to continue with that. So we just click there, and you can see your miners have been connected to the CM pool, and that will basically start mining. And when obviously the next block and that come through, then that will start showing in the console. Now in the couple of days that I have been mining, you can see that I've mined 1,160,000 Doge, which is not a whole lot, but you know, like I say, it does give that choice rather than just have to mine the CMC that you originally did. Obviously, as always, and out in the real world, if you're going to mine BTC, you're going to mine a lot less of that than if you say mining Doge, or if you're mining LTC, just basically because of difficulty levels and things like that. So just be aware of that. Don't think that you're just going to click on any coin and you're going to be earning the same as you were the previous coin, because obviously that is not how mining works. If we dive into in fact, that's not the way we want to go into. We want to go into blocks. And if we scroll down here and then we click on Doge, you can see the 2 days that I have mined Doge that I received 9.2 CMC anyway. And then I also earned 790,000 derivatives of Doge, along with 120 experience. So obviously that helps build up your accounts as well and level up. The second day was obviously a lot. You can see it's a lot less, and that's actually basically because due to my job, I basically just completely forgot to update this, basically update my power. So I only actually mined for half a day, and then it wasn't until the next morning when I realized I hadn't added that power to carry it through the night. So that's my fault. That's nothing to do with Contract Miner. I do like the idea of obviously the individual pools, because it does give you that flexibility to mine the coins that you want. Now, if you are going to be using the individual coin pools rather than the default CMC pool, the one thing you've got to make sure is that you have updated all of your wallet addresses in your account. Now, to do this, if you just simply go into the withdraw section, also something else that has changed in here is that Kedson Hub is no longer available as a micro wallet. Faucet Pay is now the primary withdrawal choice, but I do believe that in somewhere in the near future that the developers of Contract Miner are looking to add direct withdrawals as well. So obviously I know a lot of you guys, especially those of you in the US, have a big problem with Faucet Pay. So hopefully if you want to use this site, that choice will be available to you when they have added the direct withdrawal option. Okay, But for those of you that are currently using the site and are looking to use those individual pools, you've got to make sure that you've come in here and added all of your addresses. Now, if I click on this one, my address is available. But if I click on Tron, it's not. So basically what you've got to do is you've got to click on My Wallets. Then you would go into Payout Settings. And then this is where you get your list of addresses. Now, to get your address, obviously what you want to do is you go into your Faucet Pay account here. You click on Linked Addresses. You scroll down, you find your Tron address. Copy. That is actually the address to my Tron Link wallet. Obviously that helps with the swapping and exchanging of CRT when we get it from our dual mine account. Anyway, so what you'll do is you just come in here, paste that in, and enter your PIN code, update wallet, and there you go. So that's all done. Tron wallet updated, and then we can do the same for our BNB coin. Back in there, paste, update wallet, and then you see BNB wallet updated. So now all of my addresses are in my account. So basically whatever I decide to mine, whatever pool I decide to participate in, when you get to that point of a minimum, which we can look at the minimums here. If we go into the withdrawal section, again, you can see that the withdrawal minimum for BTC is 10 million. The same is for Doge, the same is for Litecoin, the same is for Dash, the same is for Tron, and the same is for BNB, which is very good actually, because a lot of the times things like for a lot of these coins in other faucets, the minimums can be quite a bit higher than that. So for me, with these new updates, I feel that Contract Miner is definitely making some good strides forward to becoming a more well-rounded program, and certainly more inviting for new members. And as I have done in the past, I always like to give praise to developers and site owners that are continually making updates and trying to create a better member experience. So I'm going to leave that there. Hope you found it informative and enjoyed it. And if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.